Hey guys, so in this video I want to go through how to get a refund from Clickbank. So I recently got a product from Clickbank that really wasn't up to my expectations. So one of the things you'll find in Clickbank is a lot of the MMO products aren't really up to standard. The sales pages really promise far more than the product actually gives. So I'm sure like many of you, you bought products you're not satisfied with. So I wanted to show you how you can get your money back. So I'm over on the Clickbank support page. All you need to do is type in support@clickbank.com. And once you go into the support area, you can just search for whatever query you want help with. So I want to say how to get a refund here. So you come through and here are the instructions. So I'm going to take you through this live and show you exactly how to do it. But these are the overall instructions. If you go to customer services site and then look up your order. So they want a couple of pieces of information. They'll want an email address that you purchase with, and then they'll either want your order number, the last four of your payment method, or your zip. So I usually use the order number if I ever do need to refund something. So you go over to your Clickbank receipt that you received and you'll find there's an order number on the very top of that receipt. So just go ahead and copy and paste that order number into the box. So the next step is they ask you for a verification code, which is sent directly to your email address, just to make sure this is you that's trying to look up the order. So go into your email address, find the Clickbank customer service email that's just been sent to you, and then copy and paste the verification code over to here, and just click on go, and then you'll see the list of your orders here that you have currently. So I'm going to go ahead, and this one here I want to get the refund on. Once you come in, you'll see the product description, you'll see a few other details here on the left hand side around payment information and the payment summary, etc. So I want you to go ahead and click get support, and then there'll be various options. So I want you to hit refund request, and in this case there's a lot of reasons here that you can use. I'm just going to put I'm not satisfied with the product and product did not meet my expectations. You just press send. The ticket's been created and notice has been sent to the vendor. Please allow 2 business days for the vendor to respond. One thing I will tell you is the vendor will definitely come back and query this and say, you know, what was wrong with the product, or try and offer you something to keep the sale, which is fair enough, but you need to be very strict and say, no, I definitely want a refund, and they may need to do that a couple of times before they finally pay. Unfortunately, when you're buying through something like Clickbank, because of the way the sales pages are laid out, you never really know what the product's going to be like on the inside. So sometimes they promise a lot and really it fails to deliver. Occasionally you'll need to go ahead and refund. If you do refund, I would delete all of the access, etc. that you have to the product, and or if it's a download, delete the download itself. We don't want to be seen to be just taking products and being a serial refunder. That's not a good way to be online. But I've just taken through the process there. It's relatively simple, but make sure that if the vendor does respond, then you go back and you say, no, you definitely want a refund for this product. So hey, this is Richard. You can catch me at theschoolofnomads.com. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're interested in a strategy to build a long-term sustainable business online, check out the description and the link below. This is something that I personally know the creator is very, very good quality and is excellent value for money. So I think it's well worth just taking a look. Any questions, you can find me at Richard@theschoolofnomads.com or leave me a comment below.